So this is Monday morning. We're coming into Ketchikan. It's the third day of the cruise. Well, kind of second day really, but so this is Ketchikan. Pulling into port about 6:30 in the morning. So that's our ship, the Norwegian Jewel. And then we're on it's the second story of the boat. It's very similar to that one right next to us. In fact, that's probably the one that leaves at 8 o'clock. We leave at 7:15, something like that. Well, there's another boat in here.
Everywhere, especially in Alaska, but if they don't dump into salt water, they're not a fjord. They're created when a finger of ice that carved them out melted and receded, and then the salt water moved in. They have all kinds of shapes. George and Carol Inlet there. Condensation from little pockets, little ponds and marshes, and maybe a beaver pond over bodies of water. That's condensation. And they're distinguished by that rooster tail spray that we see. You might notice there's small dorsal fin-like patches on the side, very similar to an orca. This is a phenomena of nature called mimicry. Mimicry is a defense.
So that's Schooner Rock, and that's New Eddystone Rock. So apparently this is actually New Eddystone Rock. It's shaped like a schooner, which is what Vancouver thought it was when it first came up here. Until he got close, of course.
We have crew here on the upper outer deck. Like photographs born a couple weeks early. But it's not really a good idea for the mothers to bring the pups here because the eagles actually will hunt down, kill the adorable little baby harbor seal. But at the end of the summer, they're available. But it is a great great place for parties and picnics, and even camping at the right tide. All these little boats are derby fish. So up ahead at 11 o'clock is Point Alaba. And you look at your map, opposite the White Point sites. A line drawn between these two created that surface. Since the tide is going out, throughout the tour you'll be able to see more and more of the tidal variant. There's 7 major layers. And then there's a wide black band, not the boil, that's black tar algae, and a thin line of brown barnacle. And right above the waterline, yellow-brown seaweed called fucus. There's a branch right there at the very end. You can see all the veins and ports. 3 o'clock. Upside down trees. And coming up again at 3 o'clock is a series of the same slide, also 3 years old. It sort of looks like a handprint with a palm in the water. But on the left here on port side, you can see all these minerals in the rock washed into this water, making it a very nutrient-rich place for marine life. And then over here on port side again, you can see the white granite in the splash zone. Above, it looks dark brown, but that's... And of course, how could we miss it? Lunchbowl Cliff. Mosquito is a state bird because they're huge. They drive the poor animals crazy. This is why birds come to Alaska. Over 457 species of birds have been identified in this protein mix, good strong bones and strong eggs. That's pretty good. In the fall when they fly out, together out in the water, consolidated area of birds that nest on rocks. These are ocean, birds are on the ocean all year. They come in to breed and raise their chicks. Now we know this is a rookery because you can see the vertical trails of heavily fertilized ponds. So they're able to find niches in the rock because of what the glacier did. All these deep scratches are called striations. They're created by huge boulders the glacier dragged along its edges in lateral movements. See if you can spot the face of an owl. It's up at 3 o'clock. It's created by 2 eyebrow-shaped exfoliating scars back down 3 feet.
Yeah, it's watching client. Oh, weird. Sorry.
glacier that functions like a big rounded ice cream scoop, scooping out rock and leaving behind a natural horseshoe-shaped rock amphitheater. This one's huge. It starts on port side at 7 o'clock, and it comes all the way around us over here to 5 o'clock. As we come ahead, we'll see more of it. Straight ahead and up is how glaciers start out. This patch of snow. The definition of a glacier is backside of the Huntsville Trail. So I put on elevations about 2100 photographs. We have crew here behind us to take a photo of search formation background. Here's Brandon. And it's misty and we can still see the ridge up there.
This is a glacial bowl. We saw the front side of it coming out. This is the back side.
Thank you for the narration.
Christian Jelly here. Beer. And then, only 10% Western Network here, but notice the light that's hanging from the tree.
Perfect.
Another hanging valley there at 8 o'clock. Topping off the waterfall from Snow Hill. It's not raining, so it's going to be snow. And on that canyon wall, you can see all the moisture footprints where there would be dozens of river waterfalls.
They don't stay far from the nest during the nesting season.
Yes, I did. Very short time. This was not all of it.
Red ball represents the setting sun, which sets in the west, and the west is directly behind us over the island that Ketchikan is on. You can see how easy to spot this coming along in a canoe. The next image is the rising sun, and it's a circle and the razor dots. There's an image almost exactly like it in the Chip Porter Misty book. That's a double circle. This is a single circle. Now, up until about 10 years ago, they were random generality. A southerly facing white rock surface, like here, the southerly tip of Stanley, a natural ledge above and a natural ledge below. So here at 10, 11 o'clock, first of all, spot the wide U-shaped natural ledge. And then on the right end of it, you'll see the rising sun, and the sun rises from the east, and the east is straight.
So this is Creek Street, which is, I guess, a fairly famous little shopping street in Ketchikan. It's low tide right now. So let's see, we just walked over the bridge and in here. Little funicular back there. Didn't see it running.
요즘 들어가는 거 아니야? 아까 먹을 때 내가 저 두장 집어넣는 거.
That's a bald eagle. And that's the other one. Nothing.
That one's got something. Got something in its tail. It's took up to that pole. Is that its chip?
No, whatever it was, it ate it.
It's not at its feet.
So this is the 5th largest city in Alaska, Ketchikan, but the population's only 14,000. So this is on our way out of Ketchikan, heading up towards Juneau. Should get there early in the morning. So today we have a towel penguin. This is the evening before Juneau. They just made up our bed.